When it comes to keeping your floors clean with minimal effort, the iRobot Authentic Replacement Parts Mopping Replenishment Kit offers an easy solution for Roomba Combo i5 and i5 Plus users, providing a reusable mop pad that's designed to make mopping a breeze. This kit doesn't just provide one of those typical disposable pads you might expect. It's made with sustainable, reusable mop pads that automatically pre-wet when placed in your Roomba Combo. The cleaning solution, delivered straight from the robot's ProClean reservoir pad, ensures the mop is always ready to tackle dirt and grime from the get-go. This replacement kit is designed for long-term use, with antimicrobial material woven into the wick cap. It's important to note that while these wick caps don't need to be replaced after every cleaning session, they can be rinsed with warm water to extend their lifespan. This convenient setup means you can trust the mop pad to handle multiple cleanings before needing to swap it out, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. However, a quick rinse of the wick cap between uses is all that's required to keep it in prime condition, so maintenance stays minimal. In terms of compatibility, it's important to mention that this replenishment kit is compatible with Roomba Combo J5 and J5 Plus models, but does not work with the Roomba Combo J7 Plus or J9 Plus. This specificity matters if you're upgrading or switching models, so always check compatibility to avoid any issues. From a practical standpoint, the addition of the reusable mop pads means you can now tackle everyday spills, dust, and light messes without worrying about constantly replacing disposable pads. The convenience factor here is impressive, especially for busy households. If you've ever spent time switching out mop pads manually, the pre-wetting system built into the Roomba Combo i5 and i5 Plus makes a noticeable difference, eliminating that extra step and making the cleaning process more seamless. The performance of the mop pads themselves is solid, able to handle various types of floor surfaces with ease, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. Since the mop pads are reusable, they have a longer lifespan compared to single-use alternatives, and the antimicrobial feature helps keep them fresh and clean, preventing odor buildup over time. However, as with any reusable cleaning product, occasional maintenance is needed to ensure it continues to work effectively. As mentioned earlier, a quick rinse in warm water is enough to keep the pads in top condition. If we're comparing the iRobot Mopping Replenishment Kit to other alternatives on the market, it holds up well in terms of durability and convenience. Some competing products may offer cheaper disposable mop pads, but the long-term value of this kit is evident when you consider how many uses you get out of each mop pad. The fact that it's specifically tailored to work with the Roomba Combo models also speaks to its overall design, making sure it integrates seamlessly with the robot, allowing it to do its job efficiently. When considering its overall value for money, this replenishment kit provides reasonable cost-effectiveness, particularly if you already own a compatible Roomba Combo model. The quality of the pads, combined with the hassle-free maintenance routine, means you're not just buying another disposable product, but a long-lasting solution for routine cleaning. For those already invested in the iRobot ecosystem, it's an easy recommendation. As for the build quality, the mop pads feel sturdy and the wick caps are well constructed for repeated use. The inclusion of antimicrobial material is a smart touch, preventing the buildup of odors and bacteria, which is especially important when you're using these pads around your home frequently. While the pads themselves are durable, it's worth noting that they need occasional attention, like a rinse in warm water, to maintain peak performance. The overall maintenance required is minimal, which makes them very practical for busy households or people who want a low-effort cleaning solution. One thing to keep in mind is that the iRobot Mopping Replenishment Kit is really a product that enhances the experience of owning a Roomba Combo i5 or i5 Plus. If you're already invested in one of these robots, it's an easy upgrade that fits right into your existing cleaning routine. For those who don't have a Roomba Combo i5 or i5 Plus, this kit won't be compatible with other robot vacuums, which limits its appeal to owners of the specific Roomba models it supports. For value-conscious buyers, this replenishment kit offers an interesting balance of price and functionality. It's not a generic product, but a tailored accessory that works seamlessly with iRobot's Roomba Combo lineup. While there are cheaper alternatives in the market, particularly single-use mop pads, this kit's reusable design means you save money in the long run, which justifies the initial investment. When it comes to cleaning performance, the mop pads do a great job of handling everyday messes, leaving your floors spotless without a ton of effort. Plus, with the added benefit of antimicrobial protection, this replenishment kit not only makes cleaning easier, but also helps maintain a cleaner and fresher home. Ultimately, if you're looking for an easy, low-maintenance cleaning solution and already own a Roomba Combo i5 or i5 Plus, the iRobot Authentic Replacement Parts Mopping Replenishment Kit is a great option to enhance your robot vacuum's mopping capabilities. For those who frequently deal with light to moderate floor messes and value efficiency, it's an investment that's definitely worth considering. Just make sure that your Roomba Combo is one of the compatible models, and you'll have a practical, reusable mop pad system that keeps your floors sparkling clean with minimal fuss. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on all things cleaning. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. And if you have any questions or already own this replenishment kit, drop a comment below and share your experience. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your home fresh right here at Reviewsinside TV.